How to join Acienda Fest. Step 1. Like Acienda Designer Outlet Facebook and Instagram. Step 2. Download the Acienda Rewards app in Google Play or Apple Store. Step 3. Complete your profile on the app. Step 4. Go to Acienda and shop for a minimum of 1,500 pesos. Step 5. Go to the admin office to present receipt and proof of social media likes. Step 6. Get your ticket to Acienda Fest. Our performing bands. Join the club. Hail. Up Dharma Down. Fifth String. Mod. Awi. Lenses. Dante and Amigo. La Luna. See you all on October 26, 2019 at the North Parking, Kilometer 48, Aguinaldo Highway, Silang, Cavite.